Okay, now you guys can see what I see. 7 o'clock yesterday morning, I heard a thumping on my window in the kitchen. Went to investigate and see what it was. Now, remember, this was yesterday at 7 o'clock, and this is what I saw. I turned on the kitchen light, thinking that the bird would see me and not do that anymore. That didn't work. I tried closing the blinds. That didn't work. I tried going outside and scaring the bird away. It would just leave and then come back. The next thing I did was I did a hawk sound on my phone, and that kept the bird away. It wouldn't come close. In fact, it flew off and it stayed away until the hawk sound went away, and then once that went away, the bird came back. Well, 7 o'clock in the morning, guess what? He or she is back. And it did this yesterday until the sun went down. So, I don't know. Weirdest thing I've ever seen. I don't know if you can see the bird. It's a beautiful bird. I think it's called a brown thrasher, but I'm not for sure that's the exact. I'm not a bird person, so I don't know. Let's see if I can get it a little bit closer. Yeah. It looks like it's going to hit right up here. Let's see if we can get it when it hits. Huh. As you can see, it finally got scared of me. Yesterday, I could do whatever I wanted. I actually tapped on the window while when it would hit the window, I'd hit the window. And it still didn't deter it. Anyway, welcome to my life out in the Ozarks.